Welcome back, everybody. In this video, I'm going to be ranking godlies and ancients in Murder Mystery 2, and this also includes like some of the 2020 event guys, like the Bioblade, the Vampire's Edge. This is like the first one I've ever really officially seen anything. So let's start off with the handsaw. I'll put it at a B. It isn't necessarily terrible. It's just boring. It's literally just a saw. Look, it is legit just a saw, but changed up. Like, it's like this is like pointier like here, and this is like round. And this, it's basically just like a rip-off saw. Oh wait, it can change. Okay, I can change this. I'm gonna call it epic. Good. Meh. Alright, actually I changed my mind. Handsaw goes in the okay tier. A mirror laser. It is just a really cool American godly. And because wait, where is it? Where is the where is the knife? Oh, there it is. Old, not you. Old Glory, epic. I like Old Glory. Battle Axe, it's great. I love the Battle Axe, especially the skull in the middle. It's just epic. Battle Axe 2 is okay. Batwing, it's alright. It's the first ever ancient, so should it go okay? It's good. Bioblade is meh. I mean, it was my first ever godly, so I thought it was the best thing ever invented. But now it's just like a blob of green and gray. So yeah, it's meh. Oh, there's like no need to explain. Now I saw virtual set, boom, boom, epic. I love this virtual set. It's just automatic epic tier. Now all the seers are they're all meh. Well, actually, blue seer's good. I like the colors. And normal seer, I liked it. Red seer is meh. I just hate yellow. I hate yellow for some reason. It looks like pea color. Yo, call this the pea seer. Man, I'm just mature today. Fang, great. I love the Fang. I tried to give away my flames for the Fang, but I ended up getting, where is it? This, the Ginger Blade. It's great. I like it. Ginger Luger is good. If it wasn't like if it was like a normal, like a original idea, then it would go all the way up into great. But it's good. Do I need to say more? The candy set automatically goes up in the epic tier. Dog Daughter, which do I think is a dog water godly? It is a simple Heartblade. I just hate it. I never used it when I owned it, and then I gave it away to get a dark one. Prismatic, it's a mid tier. It's better than Bioblade. Corrupt. Corrupt goes in epic tier. It's like a default skin, so it will go between the sugar and the mirror laser. Boneblade, automatic epic tier. I love the Boneblade. It is my favorite godly of all time. Chill, also epic tier. Clockwork, man, all these are epic. Cookie Cookie Blade. Bad. Actually, no, it's meh. Slasher, however, you could not go wrong with Slasher. You can laser. And Darkbringer is just awesome. Pumpkin's also epic. Saw's also epic. Heat is meh. Ice Shard is okay. Same Ice Swing is Dog Water. You're at the end of Dog Water. Luger. It's great. It's the ancient Reviver, and I have never used it in my life, but it'll go here. But the Godly, I have seen it, but I just never have owned it. It looks cool, but yet again, it also goes up in here. Death Shard. It's great. Eggblade. Bad. It's a bad Easter Godly. Elbow Revolver. Epic. Epic. Good. You know, go great. No, go not great. This Eternal 2 goes in good. Eternal 4 is okay. Gemstone is great. It's at the top of great. I love the Gemstone. This is a good. I'm okay with. You know what? No, it's at the top of okay. Eternal Cane, good. Eternal Epic. Flames. You know what? No. Let's take a closer look at these two. I see some resemblance. I think these are free models, but this is just a ripoff of this one. Tides is an epic, while Flames is a meh. I bet like most of the community forgot about Flames. Frostbite. It is a great Godly. I love it. Frost Saber. It legit is just a stick. It's just a frosty stick. Ghostblade is great. Green Luger is epic. Halogun, epic. We have the Hallow's Edge and Blade. Blade goes in okay, and Hallow's Edge goes in great. Hallow's Scythe goes in okay. I like it. Not as good as a Halogun. Ice Blaster. It's at the top of great. And Icebreaker comes right behind it. Ice Dragon. I think I own this, I just don't know where it is. Like live act, like in the real life version. Jingle Gun, it's good. Lightbringer is okay. Yeah, I don't really care about it. Log Chopper is a wait. I just want to know how that sounds like, right? I'm sorry being a little bit too loud. I just like screaming into it. Where did I put the Log Chopper? Great. Now we have Luger Cane. Minty came around after Luger Cane, but Minty looks more detailed. I forgot all about the Luger Cane, actually. Minty, however, goes up in great. I love the Minty. Nebula. This might actually sound weird, but I want this. I love the Nebula. Nightblade, epic. And where is it? Spider also goes up in epic. Vampire's Edge also up in an epic. Candle Flames and great. Harvester's an epic. You know what? No. You know what? Actually, yep. You guys go up in there. Bro, there's like so many really good godlies. Like, oh my lord. Pixel, great. Red Luger, also great. Shark, also great. Snowflake, good. Winter's Edge, great. X-Mass, epic. Swirly Axe, epic. Swirly Blade, epic. Swirly Gun, epic. Ice Flake, good. Now we finally ended off with the plasma. We finally end off with the plasma set. Where do I think this set goes? Okay. Would I really use these? I mean, no, I traded these away for the sugar, but then I gave that away for the other revolver and the clockwork. And then I gave this away for the frostbite, then I gave the frostbite a bioblade and an ice wing for Internal 4. Then I gave that away for the flames. And then I gave this away along with a Darkbringer for another Darkbringer and the Ginger Blade. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna rearrange things real quick. I can't really pause on this app. You know what, actually no, these should go down here actually. Alright, I think this is a good... No, wait, actually you go down here. Alright, here's the order. And I love pretty much all of the epic tier. Great, here are all the great godlies. Yeah, there we go. Here are all the great godlies. Here are all the good godlies. Here are all the okay godlies. Here are all the mad godlies. Actually, Prismatic's okay. Here are all the bad god. I pretty much only hate these 5. These 4, I mean. Peppermint is actually... It's at the top of A tier. A bad tier, I mean. So yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys like this, and yeah. Okay, yeah, that's it. Chicken sandwich.